SMS Group, one of the world's leading producers and exporters of native and modified tapioca starch, was established in 1985. With our combined production capacity of 400,000 tons per year from 3 production bases in Pathum Thani Province, Chayapum Province, and Buriram Province, we can meet the market demand both domestically and internationally. At present, SMS offers a wide variety of modified tapioca starch products for applications in various industries, such as the food industry, the paper industry, the adhesive industry, the textile industry, and also for the construction industry. Has earned carbon credits of the CER's Certified Emission Reductions type from the Clean Development Mechanism Executive Board under the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, for reduction of 100,000 tons of carbon dioxide per year. This testifies to our determination to play our role in environmental responsibility. By adhering to our philosophy that we believe in creating value from tapioca starch through science, technology, and knowledge management in an overall business process, as well as through dedication of human resources. SMS Group is committed to our mission to create value, to foster ongoing development, to create first-rate innovation, and to improve the quality of life of consumers worldwide.
Tapioca is one of Thailand's important economic producers. There is root production of 22 million tons a year. It can be turned into starch for consumption or as raw materials for processing in various industries such as food industry, textile industry, paper industry. Products made of tapioca are used both domestically and exported to other countries. As a result, tapioca is a factor that drives the country's agricultural economy.
ประวัติของโรงงานแป้งมันเอี่ยมเฮงเมื่อก่อนผมก็เคยเป็นเกษตรกรนะครับแล้วก็เป็นผู้ทำลานมันแต่ทำลานมันมาค่อนข้างจะหลายปีกำไรดีพอสมควรจะมีบางช่วงที่ทำไม่สะดวกเพราะสู้โรงแป้งไม่ได้เพราะโรงแป้งเนี่ยของผมทำลานมันเนี่ยจะไปทำเป็นอาหารสัตว์นะครับพอทำเป็นอาหารสัตว์แล้วผมคิดว่าราคาช่วยเหลือเกษตรกรผมถือว่าเกษตรกรนะครับเป็นตัวจักรสำคัญเลยถ้าหากไม่มีเกษตรกรเนี่ยก็น่าจะไม่มีโรงงานครับผมเลยต้องเน้นว่าเราต้องดูแลเกษตรกรให้เกษตรกรขายราคามันได้เท่าที่ควรที่เราจะช่วยได้ที่เรียกว่าเราต้องไปด้วยกันถ้าหากเกษตรกรอยู่ไม่ได้โรงงานแป้งมันเอี่ยมเฮงก็อยู่ยากกลุ่มลูกค้านะครับส่วนใหญ่นะครับเมื่อแรกๆนะครับก็จะมีลูกค้าในประเทศเนี่ยประมาณ 50% นะครับแล้วก็ต่างประเทศประมาณ 50% การตอบแทนสังคมการดูแลเกษตรกรครับผมก็ดูแลชาวบ้านนะครับบางท่านเนี่ยก็ฐานะความเป็นอยู่ก็ไม่ค่อยดีผมก็แบ่งพื้นที่ให้กับเกษตรกรได้ทำหมู่บ้านละประมาณ 4-5 ครัวเรือนจนปัจจุบันนี้ผมดูแลอยู่ประมาณทั้งหมดประมาณ 200-300 ครัวเรือนครับ280
Iem Heng Tapioca Starch Industry Company Limited and its subsidiary companies consider quality development of the products an important matter and have adopted the system called Good Manufacturing Practice or GMP, as well as production control and management system with emphasis on hazard analysis and critical control point or HACCP. This is to ensure the standards and quality of the company's products. The company has been recognized and endorsed by various institutions as follows. 1. International Organization for Standardization, ISO 9001, version 2008. 2. Halal, by the Central Islamic Committee of Thailand. 3. Thai Labor Standards, or TLS 8001, by the Ministry of Labor. 4. Standard of Responsibility for Social and Environmental Impacts, ISO 26000. In terms of public benefits, Iem Heng Tapioca Starch Industry Company Limited is aware of environmental conservation and global warming. It has set up various projects to conserve energy and natural resources, as well as occupational health and safety at work for its employees and community, such as 1. Employs biogas from water treatment system to replace gasoline and save energy consumption, as well as to protect the environment. On the other hand, methane gas can be used to generate electricity and sold to the government. In 2009, the company was awarded the winner of an ASEAN Energy Award 2009 in the category of renewable energy projects that are not linked to the electricity grid or off-grid. 2. Water Grids Project, a water treatment service to produce and supply clean water to cultivators around the factory during dry seasons. 3. Set up the Agriculture Loving Community, which consists of 300 members. They have adopted His Majesty the King's self-sufficiency economy maxim to operate the community. The company has participated in the environmental governance project organized by the Ministry of Industry. 4. Set up the project To Be Number One Iem Heng, aims to encourage rural youth to stay away from drugs, including a focus on quality of life for communities and workers in the factory. From tapioca in the farm to big factory. From tapioca business to the country's leading tapioca starch manufacturer. The determination of Mr. Bak Iem Sa Heng has become the aspiration of the Iem Heng family members to move forward, manufacture quality products to meet the demands of both domestic and international markets, to create jobs and opportunities for local communities and cultivators, as well as conserve the environment. We are determined to take Iem Heng Tapioca Starch Industry Company Limited and its subsidiary companies towards stability and prosperity with the Thai society forever.
General Starch Limited, moving forward together.
Ingredion is a Fortune 500 global ingredient solution provider.
The types of ingredients we make are in 80% of what you see on a grocery shelf. Everything we do is plant-based, whether it's corn, rice, tapioca, all our raw material inputs are plants. How do we connect people, nature, and technology together to make life better?
We're an innovation company. We develop products that help our customers and their consumers be more sustainable.
Data collection is a very manual and timely process. You could be spending your time gathering data, or you could be focusing on a solution.
We launched our 2030 all-life plan for sustainability in 2020, setting aggressive targets. What's been amazing is watching how companies come together through collaboration.
When we're looking for partners, we're looking for somebody that complements the capabilities that we have. Microsoft is a powerhouse in bringing that kind of innovation.
It used to be all the information was hidden away, but now with Microsoft Sustainability Manager, you have engineers, technologists, plant leadership teams looking at this data, driving improvements.
We're connecting data, and then we're able to draw insights faster. It's that piece that is a change agent for us getting to the targets faster.
Having that data in a timely manner with Microsoft Cloud for Sustainability enables us to minimize operating expense, minimize the impact to the communities in which we operate, make the planet better, and help the company grow. At the end of the day, my team goes to bed knowing that we've done something to make the company and the planet better for generations to come.
Larsson, a rural province in northeastern Thailand, is approximately 500 kilometers away from Bangkok. There is clear water, fertile soil, and plenty of sunlight. It is the place where agriculture has thrived since the dawn of civilization. Cassava is one of the main agricultural products here. Our staff of Asia Modified Starch Company Limited, Amsco, visit cassava fields every day. Now, we have membership of more than 2,000 farmers, and we share our knowledge for improvement of quality, productivity, market trend, and so on. We get raw material from good quality cassava fields, grown under the supervision of Amsco's expert team. We, Amsco, always walk together, side by side with the people of Larsson. We believe that to bring happiness, smile, and to create sustainability for all farmers should be our mission and destiny as a company located here. Asia Modified Starch Company Limited, Amsco, is a leading manufacturer of native tapioca starch and modified tapioca starch. Established in 1987 in Thailand, now operating here in Larsson province. Our employees number around 400 people who have professional knowledge, techniques, leadership position in the tapioca starch industry. The cassava brought by farmers is used as raw material and made into the tapioca starch by our production process. We are devoted to the quality of raw materials, production process, and high technology, as well as quality control, food safety, and perfection in every step. All of us are proud of our products, and we strictly comply with quality regulations. We are determined to perform research and develop our products for better utilization in various food industries and to satisfy customers' needs. Furthermore, we have world standards to control every production process, packing, and loading so that we have confidence in our product quality and we are able to deliver reliable and safe products to our customers all over the world. our factory takes care of the environment and energy saving with respect to local society and give good quality of life to all employees and the community as a whole. Today, we are proud that our products are essential parts of various food industries, including but not limited to deep-fried products, meatballs, sauces, udon noodles, and bakery products. Moreover, we are so proud of the uniqueness and function of our products, which help to improve the quality of processed foods. We supply to consumers all over the world the delicious experience from a variety of foods, which is produced by good raw materials and good factory. We believe that delicious food will bring happiness, smiles, laughter, and beautiful memories. That is, mutual gratification and endless impression for all.
Santos Group. Santos Starch Products Limited. Santosh Limited. Who would have thought that behind something as ordinary as starch could be such an interesting story? All it took was a small step, a little courage and a dream to look beyond the ordinary. It all started in the year 1951 when our founder, late Shri Sohan Lalji Chaudhary, laid the foundation of Santos Group, a finance and trading house for spices, grains, jaggery, starches and various other products. Armed with passion and dedication, this was just the beginning towards learning, exploring and growing. In the year 1983, it wasn't just the Indian team. We had one too, with our idea to venture into super specialty starch. With the immense potential that the simple ingredient held, starch became the hero of our story. Thus was born Santosh Starch Products Limited, a super specialty starch manufacturing plant at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. In the year 1990, we embrace a new member, Salem Glucose Private Limited, now known as Santosh Limited, located at Salem, Tamil Nadu, to meet the growing demands for sweeteners and starches in southern regions of India. Today, it is one of the largest corn wet milling units that cater to domestic as well as international market. A combined production capacity of more than 2 lakh metric tons per annum makes Santosh Group the largest specialty starch producer and exporter in a client in a different time zone, or an employee at our office, we are all in this together, bringing flavors of talent, diversity, and commitment towards delivering nothing but brilliance. Our expertise is a vital resource for industries such as food, textiles, pharmaceuticals, paper, adhesives, chemicals, oil drilling, cosmetics, construction, to name a few. With more than 65 products in our basket, our portfolio is diverse and rich. Our state-of-the-art R&D facilities with cutting-edge technology are located in Lambha, Gujarat, and spread across an area of 15,000 square feet. Our R&D team consists of around 30 scientists, PhDs, chemists, and experts from various fields such as textile, paper, food, etc., who are constantly involved in creating new and improved products and applications at par with the latest trends and global standards. We are also working towards eco-friendly, sustainable, and cost-effective products. We have been attributed with certificates such as ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, ISO 45001-2018, ISO 22000-2018, FSSAI, HACCP, GOTS, 13 API, Halal, Kosher, CGMP. We believe in adopting practices and developing solutions that lead us to a brighter and greener future. To name a few, we have constructed recharge wells, installed dust collectors, and adopted the practice of rainwater harvesting, zero discharge effluent treatment plant, and wastewater treatment to reduce the emissions. Sustainability is in our DNA. It has been a legacy spanning almost 7 decades of collaborating with nature, and we are growing at the rate of 13% per annum. There is no stopping us. We are already the major player in the western and southern region of India. In the next 5 years, we have plans to cover the central, northern, and eastern region of India too. We are expecting acquisition of new starch facilities in India and around the globe. With every milestone covered, we feel a sense of excitement and challenge that we love. We have spent all our lives discussing, breathing, and living starches. We will continue doing what we have done all these years. Unravel the mysteries behind starch and making your lives better, easier, and happier.
We have started this company in the year 1951, and we have the experience of 65 years. We are into corn manufacturing and other derivatives industries. We have a backup by 24/7 to assist all the industries and to give the ready-made program to fulfill their ends.
Santos Group, the largest producer and exporter of specialty and modified starches in India.
as raw material mosquito coils. Improvement.
In 1950, Larsson Sweden delivered its first products to their home market. In 1992, they delivered a complete starch factory to Thailand and developed a strong presence in Asia. Welcome to Paraguay. It was here that Larsson Sweden designed, developed and commissioned its first complete starch manufacturing plant in South America, Codipsa 4. Codipsa 4 has been built using only European technology and has a production capacity of 100 tons of starch a day, having the capability to double that capacity if required in the future.
¿Por qué Codipsa tenía que buscar otra tecnología a nivel mundial?
Why Codipsa had to look for world-class technologies abroad? Because Codipsa realized that the company has to be a first-class world player in order to be able to compete globally. We must produce the same quality of tapioca starch as other top producers in the world. But at the same time, we must be competitive. And to be able to offer that, top quality starch at competitive prices, we realized that a good production plant is a basic requirement. It's the only way to be competitive at a global level. We decided to go to Asia to see a Larsson plant in action for ourselves. And we saw that it works perfectly well. We saw all the advantages that a Larsson plant offers when compared to other technologies, local or conventional technologies. At this stage, we made our decision. After having 3 plants using local or conventional technology, we opted for European technology. Our team analyzed a number of different producers of machinery and equipment for the production of starch. And Larsson was chosen because they are the ones who best understand the entire process of producing tapioca starch. Today we have a Larsson plant. With that comes a lot of hope and high expectations that with this technology we can be truly competitive in respect of quality and price at a global level.
Throughout the process, Larsson's designers and engineers worked in collaboration with Codipsa's technicians in order to find a sustainable solution, always keeping in mind local concerns. The main objectives were to improve the plant's capacity, the yield generated and the quality of the starch, whilst of course reducing water wastage and energy consumption.
Working with Larsson was a very exciting time. We started at the 5th of June in 2011 with the construction and then delivering of containers with all the machines from Sweden. All the installation, we had a lot of visits from Larsson Engineering, and it was very good working together with them and had a successful time to put end of the installation and have a good value in the process. Yeah.
Larsson drew upon its decades of experience in Europe and in Asia to design the layout and manufacturing drawings for Codipsa 4. Larsson supplied all the hardware for the wet milling, all the software which controls the entire system, as well as key components for the dryer. For the remaining parts of the plant, they either advised on the purchase or designed the parts and had it manufactured by local workshops. The entire process, from concept to commissioning, took only 12 months. The result is a fully automated, state-of-the-art tapioca starch plant. Larsson's automated system not only ensures a consistently high-quality product with moisture content at 12–13%, but also helps reduce labor force. Despite its capacity of 100 tons of starch a day, Codipsa 4, for example, requires only 2 operators to run the system. With Larsson's technology and expertise, Codipsa 4 is expected to obtain a yield of anything between 93 and 95%. That's very pleasing if compared to other production plants averaging 85%. Here are some other factors that give Larsson a competitive advantage over other available technologies. By using state-of-the-art technology and an automated wet milling area, Larsson manages to halve the water consumption compared to other systems. Inspecting hydrocyclones can be a daunting task. With most equipment available on the market today, it usually takes 6 to 8 hours. With hydrocyclones designed by Larsson, on the other hand, inspecting is very simple and will take only a few minutes. Larsson incorporates in its system sand separation equipment, which should be cleared by an operator every 8 to 12 hours, improving the quality of the product by reducing ash content and black spots. Larsson centrifugal sieves are probably their flagship product. Invented by the company's founder in the 50s and continually developed over the years, today it's operational in over 50 countries around the world. Larsson centrifugal sieves are used for different applications, from starch extraction from rasped potatoes and tapioca to the fruit juice industry. But in this case, at Codipsa 4, the perforated stainless steel sheets are used for starch extraction and fine screening, requiring zero maintenance and a guaranteed longevity. In order to meet today's high hygienic standards, Larsson designed a rotary vacuum filter to dewater starch slurry. The filter is able to eliminate the liquid at an early stage, giving the benefit of longer dewatering time. That is significantly more than comparable machines available in the market today. On top of that, the filter is fitted with an automated downwashing system. At Codipsa 4, the starch is cooled after drying and before the buffer tank, reducing the risk of condensation and bacteria development. Here in Paraguay, the fibers extracted from the process are used for cattle feed. However, in other countries, fibers are already used in other food industries. It's expected that the same will happen in Paraguay in the near future, and Larsson hopes to be able to add value by implementing one of its latest developments, a pulp press that begins the dewatering process of the fibers before drying even starts.
Y lo que nosotros esperamos entre varios otros beneficios.
At Codipsa 4, we hope, apart from many other benefits, that we will have a much lower environmental impact and that our costs will be greatly reduced because with Larsson's technology, we will use less water in the entire process. I'm talking about reducing the water consumption by about 50%. We're also going to reduce the plant's downtime, the time used for cleaning the plant. This way we are able to increase the production time, decreasing overall costs. We expect to obtain an end product of much superior quality, but not only, also a product that consistently meets higher physiochemical parameters and higher microbiological standards.
Como también la calidad microbiológica, porque vimos.
We realized that Larsson understands how to process tapioca properly. Because of their deep knowledge of the products, in this case, the properties of tapioca, it is this knowledge that allows them to manage the starch production process so efficiently. Many of our clients in important markets such as Mexico, US, Europe, and some African countries, as well as Chile, often ask us, as one of the first questions, what starch manufacturing technology do you use? And they become increasingly confident in our product when we say that we're improving, that we have started with local technology, which has its advantages in some markets, but that now we have introduced state-of-the-art European technology such as Larsson's. Today, Larsson's technology is at the very top of the world's best technologies on offer for the processing of tapioca for starch manufacturing.
Está entre los top a nivel mundial lo que es la tecnología en procesamiento de mandioca